Hey guys, are you want to buy best car stereos with backup camera? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best car stereos with backup camera that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. The 5th position in our list is S-Joybring's Double-DIN Car Stereo. S-Joybring's car stereo is a highly practical option for many thanks to its included accessories, which not only includes a camera but also a remote controller for ease of use. If you wish to control smart apps of this car stereo, then you can use its 7-inch display. When it comes to installing this unit in your car, you will have to use its double DIN design for the same. Even though this car stereo comes with a backup camera unit included in the box, it does not mention its field of view, which can be a letdown for many. Fortunately, you do get decent connectivity options like Bluetooth, USB, SD card, aux, and radio connectivity. Since S-Joybring is a new brand of car stereos, you only get a 30-day long warranty with it. Now number 4 is Yamaha Double-DIN Car Stereo. Yamaha also offers even cheaper options for those who want car stereos without charging a premium for the same while having handy features for your car. The Yamaha Car Stereo is a feature-rich unit, especially considering its given price tag, which makes it great for many users. Talking about its display size, this car stereo has a 7-inch display which relies on its double DIN form factor for installing inside your car. Even though this car stereo has a slightly lower price tag than others, you still get a 170-degree field of view rear camera for your parking needs. Another great thing about this car stereo is that you get standard connectivity options like Bluetooth, USB, aux, and radio connectivity for peace of mind. Just like the previous Yamaha Car Stereo, this one also comes with a 1-year warranty. And now 3rd position in this list is Car Stereo in Single DIN Unito PSCI. Unitopsky is another popular brand of car stereos since it offers unique and quite practical options for installing in your car for music playback and backup camera video feed. This Unitopsky car stereo comes at the 3rd position of this list because it is the only option here that comes with a large screen with a small form factor for installation. For this, it uses a single DIN design along with a pop-out display which has a screen size of 7 inches, making it similar to other larger double DIN options. Coming to the field of view of this car stereo's backup camera, it is rated for 170 degrees, making it quite wide for most. You also get Bluetooth, USB, SD card, aux, and radio connectivity for all your music playback needs. While Unitopsky does offer a 1-year warranty, its build quality is a bit on the average side compared to others. Now our second choice is Yamaha Car Stereo. You can also consider Yamaha and its car stereo offerings if you are looking for something that is small and compact, but does not compromise on its features because of its size. Yamaha's car stereo comes at the 2nd position of this list, as this can be a great compact-sized option for many. To be exact, this car stereo uses a 7-inch screen along with a standard form factor double DIN, allowing you to install it in most cars with ease. Since this is an Android car stereo, you can easily view the video feed of its 170-degree backup camera. As for connectivity options offered by this car stereo, you get Bluetooth, USB, SD card, aux, and radio. You also get a 1-year warranty with this car stereo for your peace of mind and decent longevity. And 1st position in our list is PLZ 500 Android Car Multimedia System. PLZ is one of the most popular options out there when you are talking about car stereos with backup cameras, since most of its offerings are highly feature-rich. The PLZ 500 car stereo comes at the 1st position of this list since this is the most feature-rich and advanced car stereo given here. For starters, you get a massive 10.1-inch display with it for easily viewing everything. This is made possible thanks to its double DIN form factor for fitting this display with ease. Talking about its camera, it not only offers a 170-degree backup camera, but also comes with a front dash camera for added security. You will also find handy connectivity options like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB, SD card, aux, and even radio. Since PLZ is a popular brand of car stereos, you also get a 1-year warranty with it for peace of mind. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.